Hey, what's up? This is my Salama 82p. I'm about to show you guys my new ringtone. I didn't have to pay at all. I just got it. It's really dark in this room, as you can see. It's like 2 o'clock right now, I believe, in the morning. I know some of you might be disappointed that I couldn't show my black Sidekick LX, but, I'll make sure to have some time in the morning to take a picture of that and just put it on like a slideshow or something. But anyways, here's the ringtone. I received in picture messaging, by the way, so I'll just show you guys that. Alright, that was it. As you can see, that's not one of those 15-second, gay ringtones that you have to buy for like $2. This is free, and it's pretty long. Yeah, any questions, just feel free to leave a comment. Yeah, that's probably it. Alright.